ForgeBox module of the week, and actually it's two modules, but I'm going to talk about several modules because we're going to talk about CFWheels. So there's a new category up on ForgeBox, and I'm going to share my screen. Sorry for everyone I keep telling that, but sometimes people are like, what are they talking about if I don't say that when they're listening on the podcast? So we made a new CFWheels templates category. So they've uploaded several new templates lately. So there's a Hello World, there's a Hello Dynamic, and there's also a base template. So there's a few templates there. But there's also, if we just go and look at newest on ForgeBox, you'll see that they have some MVC options too. I'm still in the category. Let me drop the category. My bad. So now when I come and go to newest, you'll see that, as I mentioned, there's a few templates, but they also have the CFWheels core is in there now, and the CFWheels base is in there. So CFWheels is adding more and more to ForgeBox. Remember, you don't have to be a box product user to use ForgeBox. It's a package management suite, and you can use it for whatever. I mean, you can basically just get like NoSQL stuff. There's all sorts of little bits and pieces, Lucy extensions using it. So if you don't even use, ColdFusion command box or anything, just having Lucy extensions in your Lucy server, you can use Lucy extensions from here. So there's a lot of cool different things in here, but CFWheels is using it. Framework 1 has stuff in here too. So there's CFWheels templates, there's plugins. So go check that out because they're adding lots and lots more there, and it's cool to see that it's a community tool. It's not just a ColdFusion tool. So
you actually said something earlier, Gavin, about Ben's component to clean up some of the hidden characters and special characters. Maybe throw on that. So where would you do that in ForgeBox?
Well, it's an interesting one because there is a bunch of just random stuff that sort of gets put in the module section. So that's probably the best spot for it. But I mean, categories are just ways for people to sort of find what they're looking for. So it's not like you need to specifically put it in a certain category, but certain ones do have some conventions. So if you have like a framework or whatever, a lot of times it has instructions of where to put it. But if you're just downloading a module without those instructions, it'll figure out the best place to put it. But like modules is probably the best spot for that because it's considered a module. And then I think even there's some basics, just straight CFCs. Like people can add a CFC to ForgeBox. You don't have to have a whole big old package for it. But yeah, a lot of them would be in there. Like I say, they don't have to be ColdFusion tools to go there either, but it's probably the best bet.
There might be a good example at some point to, do a quick little blog post on here's how to do a simple component in ForgeBox and, get your stuff out there. People can use it.
Yep. I mean, because we got lots of stuff in there. I mean, projects is sort of the random. A lot of people put stuff where it's not necessarily fitting into any other category, but yeah, they're just ways to tag something. So it's not a big deal if you don't know exactly where to put it, and we can obviously move it too if we need to. But yeah, it's definitely a pretty cool little collection, and it's great to see it still growing. That's why I like to go look at the new section all the time, and I try and spotlight some of the new stuff because it's growing all the time, updates and everything.
Oh yeah, I've gotten the habit now. If I need to solve something, I'm like, let me check ForgeBox first. Maybe somebody solved that. Yeah. And sometimes they do, which is awesome.
For sure.
Okay, so moving on.
That was our ForgeBox module of the week, brought to you by Modernize or Die Podcast, CFML News Edition, proudly sponsored by Order Solutions. You can see the new episodes every week on cfmlnews.modernizeordie.io or on the Order Solutions YouTube channel.